Dear children, good morning. Welcome again to the online teaching program Shiksha Sanjog. I am Chinmay Mahapatra, Jivajyoti High School, Bamor. Dear children, we have already discussed lesson 3 mongoose, and let's discuss some activities which you do not find in your textbook. So come children to discuss the activities. Come to activity 1. There are some questions and you have to answer the questions. There are 6 questions in activity 1. Number 1. What is the first paragraph about? Answer is, the first paragraph is about the hunting of mongoose. So, how to write the answer? The first paragraph first, then verb is, then about, and then the answer. Then second question, what is the common nature of mongoose? The common nature of mongoose is to hunt together. तांकर साधारण प्रकृति कौन से माने एकाठी शिकार करिथांती. What do mongoose normally eat? साधारण से माने कौन खाई थांती. Mongoose normally eat beetles, millipedes and other small creatures. Number 4. Mongoose are eaten by other big creatures. Who are these? Mongoose are eaten by other big creatures. Who are these? These are hawks and eagles. So see children, in question number 4, eaten is double written. So read eaten. Number 5. How do mongoose keep in touch with each other? Mongoose keep in touch with each other by twittering and calling. किभଳି भाବରେ ନେଉଳ ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ପରସ୍ପର ସମ୍ପର୍କ ରକ୍ଷା କରିଥାନ୍ତି. The answer is twittering and calling. If you remember twittering and calling, then you can answer easily. How do mongoose keep in touch with each other? Then first write, mongoose keep in touch with each other by twittering and calling. When do mongoose look amusing? While poking their nose into holes, overturning rocks with their paws and scratching the ground with their sharp claws, mongoose look amusing. Then come to activity 2 children. Write the plural forms of the following. First one is mongoose. By adding s, we can write the plural form mongoose. Animal, animals. Nose, noses. Hole, holes. Paw, paws. Claw, claws. Group, groups. Bills, bills. Millipede, millipedes. Creature, creatures. Rock, rocks. Bush, bushes. Hawk, hawks. Eagle, eagles. So one thing children, bush, the plural form is bushes, es. So the word which ends with s, sh, x, when we turn into plural forms, then we add es. ଯେଉଁ ୱାର୍ଡର ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଲେଟର ଏସ୍ ଥାଏ, ଏସ୍ଏଚ୍ ଥାଏ କିମ୍ବା ଏକ୍ସ ଥାଏ, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ପ୍ଲୁରାଲ କରୁ ସେଇ ୱାର୍ଡରେ ଇଏସ୍ ଆଡ୍ ହୁଏ. ବୁଝିଲା ପିଲାମାନେ? ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଅବାଉଟ୍ ୟୋର ସିଙ୍ଗୁଲାର ଆଣ୍ଡ ପ୍ଲୁରାଲ ଫର୍ମସ୍. ଦେନ୍ କମ୍ ଟୁ activity 3. So am I clear about activity 2? By adding s, we also make the plural forms of the words, and only one word is there, bush, sh is there. So while turning into In plural forms we add es. बुश को जते बेले आमे प्लूराल फॉर्म कलु सेथिरे आमे es जोग कलु किंतु अन्य वर्ब गुडी को प्लूराल फॉर्म करला बेले खाली s जोग हला तबे जे वर्ड रो लास्ट लेटर s sh किंबा x थाए ताको प्लूराल फॉर्म रे कला बेले s न लागी कि सेथिरे आमे es लगे कि प्लूराल फॉर्म करि थाउ। इटा होचे एक्टिविटी 2 हाउ टू मेक plural forms of these words. Mongoose, animal, nose, whole, etc. Then come to activity 3. Write the past form or the second form of the following. There are some verbs and we'll write their past form or the second forms. Hunt, hunted, keep, kept, poke, poked, overturn, overturned, scratch, scratched, amuse, amused, travel, travelled, like, liked, go, went, won, warned, spot, spotted. So remember children, there are two words, travel and spot. See that while changing into the past form, L is doubled here and in the verb spot, T is doubled here. So why it is doubled here? L is consonant and when the word ends with consonant and before the consonant there is a vowel, then the consonant is also doubled while changed into second form or the past form. Jadi jekonosi verb ro last letter consonant thibo ba vyanjana varna thibo ta purvata vowel thibo ba swara varna thibo tebe seita past tense kala bele sei consonant ta double हे जिवो। एडी देखो travel रो एल होउची कोन consonant बा व्यंजन वर्ण ता पूर्वटा ई होउची स्वर वर्ण तेनु करी ए जो एल टा बा consonant टा past tense form रे double हे जायछि TRAVELLED सेही भली spot end हेछि टी रे टी टा होउची consonant ता पूर्व ओ टा होउची vowel तेनु करी एटा सेकंड फॉर्म आसी गला को spotted हैला टी consonant टा एठी double है गला। So it's about your activity 3 changing the first form of the verb to second form or the past form. Am I clear children? If any doubt then you can ask me. Then come to activity 4. In activity 4, write the ing form of the following. The same verb hunt, keep, poke, overturn, scratch, amuse, travel, like, go, warn, spot. So we'll have to change these verbs into ing forms. First see the verb hunt, hunting, keep, keeping, poke, poking, overturn, overturning, scratch, scratching, amuse, amusing, travel, traveling, like, liking, go, went, warn, warning, spot, spotting. Remember, here are also some words. If there is E or E is the last letter of the verb, then avoid E and write ing while changing into ing forms. जो verb रो last letter E थाए आमे से E टा को काढ़ी करी सेठी ing form लगे कि तारा ing form करिबा। Example अछि हमरो poking, amusing, liking. Then another word traveling, spotting. I have already told you the consonant is doubling here. Then come to activity 5 children. Here are also some questions, 5 questions. Write the answers. What is the paragraph 3 about? Paragraph 3 is about the skill of killing snakes of the mongoose. First write the paragraph 3 is about, then answer is killing snake of the mongoose. What are the mongoose famous for? Then start from this. The mongoose are famous for killing snakes without getting hurt themselves. सेमाने को आघात न देकरी तांको मारिबार कौशल पाई सेमाने प्रसिद्ध. Number 3, what is very special about killing snakes? तांकर मारिबार स्वतंत्र शैली तांकर कौन मंगूस मानकर? They kill snakes without getting hurt themselves. Number 4, where do mongoose live? Mongoose live in a den made inside an termite hill or hollow log. सेमानकर बासस्थली कोटा? टर्माइट हिल, उइहुका, हॉलो लॉग, गछर फंपा, गछ गंडीर फंपा अंश एवं डेन बा गुंफा सेटा को तांकर लिविंग प्लेस कुआ जाय, जोटा कि आमे वर्ड मीनिंग डिस्कशन बेले क्लियरली मेंशन करिछु. हु लुक्स आफ्टर द किटेन? किटेन मीन्स द यंग वन ऑफ द मंगूस. नेउल मानकर छुआ मानकर किए जत्न निए? हु लुक्स आफ्टर द किटेन? वी कैन राइट आंसर इन प्लेस ऑफ हु. हु जगह आम जदि आंसर लिखिदेबा आउ सेंटेंस सबू लिखिदे क्वेश्चन आंसर उठेकी से फुल स्टॉप देदेले आमर क्लियर आंसर हो. द फीमेल मंगूस लुक आफ्टर द किटेन. क्लियर? देन कम टू एक्टिविटी 6. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स यूजिंग वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द ब्रैकेट्स बिलो. ब्रैकेट रे दिया जाइथिबा वर्ड मध्यरु वर्ड बाछिकी आमे फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स करबा. सो कम टू द वर्ड्स इन द ब्रैकेट्स. किटेन, स्टैंड गार्ड, टर्माइट हिल, हॉलो लॉग, den, snakes, kitten. Number 1, the young one of the mongoose is dash. I have already told you now. The young one of the mongoose is kitten. Then write kitten in the space. Then mongoose are famous for killing dash. They are famous for killing snakes. Then write snakes in the blank. C. Mongoose live in a dash made inside an dash or dash. Live in a den made inside an old termite hill or hollow log. We have already discussed in the comprehension questions answers. D. Male mongoose stay behind to dash until others return. To stand guard, जगवाल बा रखी हिसाब से सेमाने रही थांती. The female mongoose look after their dash, their kitten. Then come to activity 7. Write the past form of the following. Verbs are there. Kill, past tense is killed. Dodge, dodged. Attack, attacked. Rage, raced. Make, made. Return, returned. So remember one thing, we add ed to make the second form of the verb, but make, made. सबु verb गुड़ी करे आमे ed लगे करी past tense करिचे, make रही ची made. सेठी made है नहीं. It is the irregular verb. एमती किछि verb रही ची जो गुड़ार करे past tense हमको मन रखे को पड़े से थेरे ed लगे करी तार second form करा जाए नहीं. सेही भली आमे तार third form मध्य करि परिबा. केंदी करि परिबा? किल, किल्ड, किल्ड. डॉज, डॉज्ड, डॉज्ड. अटैक, अटैक्ड, अटैक्ड. ता थर्ड फॉर्म मध्य अटैक्ड. रेज, रेस्ट, रेस्ट. मेक, मेड, मेड. रिटर्न, रिटर्न, रिटर्न. So it is about activity 7, how to turn the first form of the verb to second form and the third form. Then come to activity 8. Join the animals and birds with their living place. As the living place is mentioned here in your lesson, Mongoose live in a den inside a termite hill or hollow log. जेहेतु मंगीज रो लिविंग प्लेस देइछि सेथिपई मु भाबिली अन्य एनिमल्स और बर्ड्स मानकर लिविंग प्लेस विषय तमर जानिबा दरकार सेथिपई एक्टिविटी टा दिया जाइछि जोटा कि तमर बही रे नाही. सो जॉइन द लिविंग प्लेस. डॉग रो लिविंग प्लेस केनल, लायन den, mongoose hollow log, sheep pen, bull cattle shed, horse stable, goose water, rat hole, pig sty. So these are the living place of the animals and birds. So children, you have to remember this very well to know the living place of the animals and birds. It is not in your textbook, so you have to remember this. Then come to activity 9. So activity 9 is about join the animals with their young ones. So in activity 8 we have already discussed about the animals and birds with their living places. पशु एवं पक्षी मानकर लिविंग प्लेस गुड़िक विषय आम आलोचना कले. वर्तमान से पशु और पक्षी मानकर यंग वन विषय बा छुआ मानक कौन कह जाए से विषय आलोचना करबा एक्टिविटी 9 रे. जेहेतु तमर मंगूज रो यंग वन को किटेन बोली मेंशन करा जायछि, सो यू शुड नो द यंग वन ऑफ अदर एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स. सो मंगूज तार यंग वन हैला किटेन. We have already discussed in our lesson. Then lion, cub, dog, puppy, cat. The young one of a cat is kitten also. The young one of sheep is lamb. The young one of bull or cow is calf. The young one of elephant is baby elephant. The young one of hen is chick. So dear children, these are 9 activities we have already discussed. Then you see this video and questions and answers. If any doubt, then you can contact for your better understanding. Children, goodbye. See you in the next